Let's learn how to fix Add Yours not working on Instagram. If this Add Yours feature not working to you, and you don't know how to fix that, so in this tutorial we'll go through a couple of steps on how you can fix Add Yours option not working. First step you have to do is to check is your Instagram app updated. If is not, go on App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If on this button says update, tap on it and wait for Instagram to be updated. On that way, you are downloading all new updates including Add Yours feature. When the update is finished, open Instagram app, then make sure you are logged into your account and go on Story to see is Add Your feature have. It doesn't have this feature, go to look this second way. For this second way, open any web browser you have. Because I have iPhone, I will open Safari, but you can use whatever you want. Next, on search bar, go to type Instagram down detector. And Google will show to you list of results and you need to go on this first one. After that, scroll a little down until you see this paragraph. This chart shows a view of problem reports submitted in the past 24 hours compared to the typical volume of reports by time of day. It is common for some problems to be reported throughout the day. Down detector only reports an incident when the number of problem reports is significantly higher than the typical volume for that time of day, and you need to wait a couple of hours to Instagram solve that bug. But if that doesn't solve your problem, go to Open Settings app on your phone. And scroll a little down until you see General option and open it. Then go on option called iPhone Storage. On this menu, you can see a list of all your apps you have on phone and how many memory they use. But in this case, we need Instagram, so scroll down until you see Instagram and open it. Now go to tap on Offload the app. On that way, you will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available in the App Store, and you are done. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.